Here we go. This thing. Oh yeah. Anyways, so this is the Wowstick accessory. I don't have the Wowstick. I have this screwdriver set. I will do a unboxing of this next. So stay tuned for that. So this is the magnetic pad. And let's do a quick unboxing. I will get my mic here for ASMR. So let's get this opened up. Oh no, I've broken the packaging. So here we go, this is the pad. And nothing in the box, that's it, just the pad. And it's covered in this. Oh yeah, it's good quality, like everything from Xiaomi. Nice. So let's try it. Oh, maybe not with this. I have some screws. So this is why I got it. This is a screw from an iPhone. I think it's maybe from some other phone or something. It's really small. I can't go much closer to show you. Yeah. Yeah. So this is why you need this. Like, I've done some repairs on some iPhones, and it's really hard to get your screws organized if you don't have something like this. And if you have like 10 or 20 screws here on your table and you just go like this, and yeah, you lose some screws. And that's very bad because then you need to find them, because I mean, yeah, it's not good when you lose screws. Yeah. So let's try it. Get that focus in. Your screws here, just screw, and it stays there. That's amazing. This is a lifesaver for someone who repairs iPhones and little electronics, maybe even bigger, but it's not that huge. It's like length. It's the hand length. Maybe there is some information here. I'm not sure. It's not that big though. It's a small pad. Here I have a iPhone 7 here. So yeah, a bit taller, but a bit less wide. Anyways, so yeah, I would recommend this pad. It works great. It's really sturdy on the screw, as you can see. Screw isn't falling. Still it's there. So yeah, this is a lifesaver, really. Would recommend. So let's move to the screwdriver set here. This will be in another video, so stay tuned for that.